Okay, hi there, folks. We're now in our next video about percents or percentage. Now, in the previous video, we have converted or we have learned how to convert percent to fraction. Now we're going to learn how to convert percent to decimal this time. Okay, so to convert percent to decimal, we need to first, what we need to do first is to um, drop the percent symbol like in the previous lesson and then move the decimal point twice to the left. Okay, twice going to the left. Okay, so that's how we're going to do it. For example, for 50, so we're going to drop the decimal symbol, or rather the percent symbol. So we have 50. It is understood that the percent or the decimal point is over here. So we're going to move it twice to go into the left. So we have 1 and 2. So therefore, what do we have for 50%? It's understood that it's going to be 0.50 or 0.5 will do. 0.50 or 0.5. Here for 6, so we're going to drop the percent symbol. That's going to give us 6. And we're going to move the decimal point twice going to the left. So if it starts here, let's move 1 and 2. It's over here. And then we're going to make use of our placeholders, as always, the 0. So the answer for 6% is 0.06. Okay, 0.06 is different from 0.6. Okay, 0.6 is 60%. 0.06 is 6%. Okay. Furthermore, let's have more examples, shall we? Example number 3. Okay, for example number 3, 13% drop the percent symbol, so we have 13. Move the decimal point, which is here, twice to the left to 1, 2. So what we have is 0.13 or 0.13. Okay. Now for number 4, this is quite tricky, but let's do it anyways. So 40 and 1/2. Okay, what is 1/2 in decimal? We know that 1/2 in decimal is 0.5. Okay, it's 0.5. So we can convert this first in decimal. So we have 40.5 or 40.50 if you want. So 40.5%. Now from here, let's drop the percent symbol and move it twice to the left. So if we do that, 1, 2, this is going to give us 0.405. So it's going to be 0.405. Okay, so our work actually has lessened up and it makes things, easier compared to the fractions part yesterday's video. Now, I think this is your turn to do it yourself. So I have prepared here 5 exercises, though you cannot see the number 5. Let me fix that later. For now, try to pause the video and try to copy 1, 2, and 3. Try to answer it also. Okay, I will move downward so that you can see 4 and 5. So here you go for number 4 and 5. Copy them and then try to answer them also. You can pause the video right now. Okay, so let's try to answer this right now. So this is the directions is simple, express each percent as a decimal. So let's try to answer that. So 20%. Move the decimal point twice going to the left. So decimal point is over here. So let's move it twice to the left. So 1, 2. This is going to give us as 0.20 or 0.2. 0.2. For number 2, what we have is 43. Decimal point is over here. So let's move it twice to the left. So 1, 2. So what we have is 0.43 or 0.43. For number 3, the decimal point is clearly here. So let's move it twice to the left. So 1, 2. We need a placeholder 0. So we have 0.035 or 0.035. Here for number 4, we have a tricky part again, wherein we can see that there is a fraction. So let's convert this fraction first into decimal. So we have 52 point, what is 1/4 in decimal? So 1/4 in decimal is clearly 25% or 25. So this is 52.25%. Let's move the decimal point twice to the left. So 1 and 2. So what we have is 0.5225 or 0.5225. Okay. And then lastly, for number 5, let's move the decimal point twice to the left. So 1, 2. So what we have is 0.652. So this is equal to 0.652. Okay, so yeah, hopefully you got a score of a 5, maybe 4, 3. Yeah, maybe you need to practice more. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much. This is it for this video. I hope you learned something from this, and yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel anyways. Okay, thank you very much and see you soon.